So you got to kind of. Yeah. Maybe I should try like this first. What do you think about that?
Yeah. What's up, guys? I'm Justin Lauria and this is Roman, aka Prodigal Sun. So yeah, he wants to learn how to do sweepers, and he said he tried it a little while ago and it was just like looking over a cliff, and so we're gonna see if we can get him from that point to landing one today.
Yes. A lot of what helps me, guys, is putting myself in a position to where I need to do it,
Yes,
right?
that helps a lot.
So today's that day. I'm gonna learn it.
On flat ground, I would recommend you just be able to ollie your board up into your hand like that, and then when you get to the transition, you'll be doing kind of the same thing. It's just your tail won't be hitting the coping really, but
Okay.
same motion. That.
All right, let me see. That might be hard. So my back foot, ollie and stay down.
Yes. Yeah, I think what it is try to lean back. So like really let the like you're falling backwards. There you go.
Oh,
money.
Caught it that time.
Yeah.
All right, good.
And then can you do a caveman on flat ground too?
I don't even know what that is.
Nose grab caveman?
Probably.
Woo!
That was scary.
So you just did a sweeper, it just wasn't
That was
down to
alarming.
So yeah, you're gonna do that, swing it around, and then same thing.
Okay, so this is getting me prepared. Ah. Well, it seems to me that popping out on some sort of transition might be easier to get my board to my hand.
Yeah, it will be. So
And
you want to try it on a bank?
Yeah, let's try it on a bank.
Okay, all right.
Woo! Dude, it's a gutsy feeling right there, man.
Nice, dude. Woo! Oh, nice. See, that's pretty much it right there. Yeah. Okay. Put your front foot even further back. Yeah. Okay.
Even farther back?
Just like in the middle of the board. Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa! Good one. Money.
Woo, baby. Oh. Oh, dude, that's scary.
Yeah. It's good for you. Whoa. There you go. Good job, man.
I need to get over the top. Oh.
There it is.
Ah.
Oh, that was it.
Ah. But looking at this right here, just that seems crazy. I think I'm better off.
It's easier if you like just popped it out and you're still leaning in and you just reverse what you did. All right. Before you start trying to jump on the board, I got all these practice steps like this thing where you just jump on the board like right here. Don't get it.
Okay.
Like this
Oh.
Jumping down. Oh, you do that and then you do this move, which helps you. You kind of get low in the ramp and jump on it like that, and you build up.
I can tell you right now, there's no way I can do that. It's like
Come down.
halfway.
Come down. Okay, so this you'll like.
All right. Dude, maybe this is just too much.
Yeah, just start like really low.
Wow.
Yeah, exactly. So you don't even have to run that much.
I don't have to go that far.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can literally take like a step.
Yeah. And don't feel bad that it's weird because you've never done this.
Yeah, no, it
Just take your time.
really feels like a limber. Cool. That was really terrifying though. Might not have showed. Oh. It did it.
Kind of get where you're going a little higher.
Yeah.
Boom! All right, we're getting there. So like trying to make it.
What if I just started
ramp?
like this without being turned? What do you think about
How
that?
do you got it? Like this?
Yeah, just like having my foot.
Oh, like this, and then go.
Just to get used to it.
Yeah, that works.
So you got to kind of.
What's the worst that can happen? You fall on your pads.
Maybe I'll start like this first. What do you think about that?
Yeah. Farther down you can get it, the better. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That was it.
Right on this elbow.
Hey, man. That's what we needed.
Hang on. I think I tore it open.
You think so, really?
I might have. Oh! Okay, that was sloppy, but hey.
Like it's super
That was
easy or
smooth.
whatever. Yeah.
All right, so should I try it now?
Yeah, go for it, man.
Let's try it.
Oh, nice.
I gotta do a clean one, man.
That doesn't matter. That was awesome.
Oh, what? Like, seriously, reality changes when you get that crash out of the way. Guys, just crash the first time.
Woohoo! Dude, every time. Oh, man.
What really helped for me was Justin had me get in the bowl because it's training down there and I wasn't jiving. So he said, get in the bowl. And I'm so confused, I'm scared, I'm thinking, oh, it's not gonna work. And then he's like, just throw your board up there and jump on it. So I did that. And then he's like, okay, let's bring it to the top. So he's like, let's get the landing part. So when you come up on the trick, your foot's like this. And I was like, I wasn't feeling that anyway. So he's like, why don't you turn around and face it some? So I did it like this, got my foot up. Now, I wouldn't have done it without that first step. But once I got up here, got my foot up, I was able then to just fall in with it. So I crashed though. And
You literally fell down, yeah.
I think the crash the first time, it helps. Just get that scary part out of the way, and then fear doesn't mess you up anymore.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, I'm gonna try one more.
Every time.
Damn! Right on.
Alright guys, so before I end the video, I just wanted to point out a couple of things real quick. First off, I wanted to say a big congratulations to Roman for sticking with it today and seeing that process through all the way from start to finish of learning the sweeper. Good job on that, Roman. One thing I really like about Roman's learning style is that he's able to identify when he really needs to focus and concentrate just on overcoming something that he's afraid of doing. So you'll notice that when it finally came time for him to jump on the board from that sweeper position for the first time, he didn't wait around to double confirm and triple confirm and talk it through with me and hesitate a whole bunch of times and then finally do it. That's the sort of thing that can get you into a lot of trouble when you're in that situation. So instead, he was confident in his ability to take a fall, and he had a full set of pads on anyway, so he knew it was going to be okay. So once I told him he was good to go, he just took a deep breath, completely blocked everything else out, and went ahead and went for it. Now, as you can see from the video, he did fall down when he first tried that, but that was an important part of the process. So he was able to get that out of the way right out of the gate, and then the fear of what's gonna happen if I fall went out the window, and from then on he was able to fully commit to doing it without hesitating anymore, and it made a huge difference in his ability to actually start landing the trick. If you want to check out Roman's YouTube channel, I'll leave a link to it in the description section below. If you want to see my full tutorial on how to do a sweeper, you can click right over here. And as always guys, never stop improving.